our second ever Advanced Choice workshop. How do you feel?
Yes, it's powerful. We feel powerful.
Yeah. So what did you get out of the Advanced Choice
What do we
workshop?
not? Oh my God.
One of the most valuable things about it was that we chose a destiny and we chose a vision for our lives, but we got a roadmap on how to get there. So it's not this dream and this abstract thing that, oh, one day I hope that happens. It's an actual map to follow that if we do the steps, then we're going to get it no matter what.
And in addition to that, how to break self-sabotaging patterns or any patterns that don't serve you and being able to achieve those visions that we all set for ourselves and desire to achieve.
Yeah, we got like tools to evaluate every moment from moment to moment in different categories and see if it's serving us to go in our destination. And like Leanne said, it's not only we have made a vision, we have seen it. We were living the vision and we have seen how to get there and seen the patterns that we were writing down while we are talking about how we were sabotaging ourselves, and it's been pointed out, there is your fault, and freaking out wow, I want this, but I'm telling actually the opposite, and seeing these patterns and the tools we got are based on this to see them and to break them down.
The tools that we have are so tangible, but the best part is it's proven to us through this that the more we practice it, our tools will be way more powerful. And we've learned the way to inject it into our lives.
For me, it was so inspirational. I feel really, my body is full of energy and really got my mojo filled up to the max. 4 days in, and I wanted to stay, but also wanted to go back and do stuff at home and get on with this, get on with that, and with my work and so many other fields. And it was very good to be in touch with my inner boy, and I will give him the adventure that he has been longing for so long. So yeah, I'm going to take him on the ride.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So for Argonauts thinking about coming for an Advanced Choice, how would you compare this to a Choice OS workshop?
Oh, it's completely, I feel that you really learn so much about your patterns. You are able to dissect yourself in that workshop, and you see a lot of things, and you're like, wow, you understand how your inner self works, how the world around you works, how it's connected. But this is getting power tools and just the second day into this workshop, I was blown away. I was wow, we're going deep. And I knew that we could, and I knew that we would, but it blew me out of the water.
It's the mythic voyage is the work, and the Advanced Choice is a deeper way to apply the work in your life.
Yeah.
Yes, bam, that's spot on.
This advance, it's you take it to 50 levels deeper, 50 levels deeper, and you do it yourself.
I'm Tierramitican for many years, so I know everything. I know all the pillars, I know the work, I know the stories, I know everything. But deep down, I had put also layers and layers, and not taking full responsibility, not fully embracing my power, not fully daring, not creating exactly, the life that I truly want and that truly I'm entitled to. And for me it was really a new journey inside, and knowing that I know everything and choosing what I'm going to do with this, truly choosing. And Mickey took us to journey with a little boy and little girl, but also with the projection in the future with the grandma that I'm going to be one day. And I feel uniting all these visions, I have no more excuses. I've seen myself on all stages of my life and where I am now in this, and that truly I have all the power. And if I let myself down, I will know with everything inside me that I did it, because I've been observing in this workshop everything that I did to myself.
It gives you a drive, like, fuck, if I don't fuck up and I go this direction, like, I'm gonna be mythic as hell and live like a life of quality that was not even dreamable of. Yeah, super strong.
Cool.
And for me, another gift is connection, because we are all on the same path, and it's like also in our visions, we felt that yes, our dreams are connected together. Together, and this is like such a gift, because we are already a community of beings that are creating our own destiny. We are beings of choice, and we know this, and we know we have each other.
If you could pick the best one thing that you got out of the workshop for each of you, or one thing, what would it be?
For me, definitely, it's breaking my like nice girl persona curse and like fully like fucking being able to put me first, like no matter what.
I'm gonna say, yeah, for me, I got full trust in myself and what I'm capable of, and the beautiful life that I'm gonna build and create for myself. Like, I came into this workshop a little unsure and feeling powerful, but then not trusting it and not believing it, and like now I'm sure. So I definitely, for me, the most powerful thing is really believing that I can do and be whatever the hell I choose.
Having like a clear destination and direction is like so valuable. It's like you know where you're going, you know where you're headed, and then it's like when you know where you're headed for sure, it's like you're able to like enjoy the journey and have fun and trust and everything, because you know where you're going now. You're not like trying to figure out where you want to go. So I'm so excited to know where I'm going, and where I'm going is my dream. So like, shit.
And I want to add more to that as well, because I think it's so important to know where you want to go, because then you can do everything in your power to get to where you want to go, as opposed to having no direction and you're just going to end up somewhere arbitrary and then most likely be disappointed where you've arrived and probably not enjoy the journey along the way.
Doing it like in this workshop environment takes it to like a place that you dreamed of when you were like a little girl, and you truly thought like anything was possible. You know, because I like when I tried to do that exercise in the beginning, I like freaked out because I had no idea. But having the tools in this workshop like broke me through something I couldn't have done at home alone with it. But
for me, it was definitely reconnecting with my little boy. Like,
I was about to say my little girl.
connecting with my little boy, and I'm feeling him a lot more, and I feel like I'm going to keep that connection, and seeing all the layers that, you know, I've kind of put in between us over the years, and being able to take those away and feel that little boy's dream about things and excitement and things like that, which I haven't let myself feel.
I want to say too that for people that are watching at home and haven't done a Choice OS Mythic Voyage, that when we're talking about our little boy and little girl, that we're talking about like ourselves and our little boy and little girl.
That was also like, it made a big difference for me to really embrace her and reunite with her and feel her fully, and how precious she is, and she's me.
You can see her.
And that all she wants is to love and to trust, and she knows, it's not even that she wants to trust, it's that she knows that everything is beautiful and magical, and that she's gonna live a life of adventure, and that everything is awesome, and that there is no limit. Like, she fully believes that she can do anything.
I feel like I'm like superwoman type of like. And we completed it. We did it. We did the 15 days, but now it's like time to like take the work out there, and yeah, I feel super advanced.
We are HAPPY.